Hello students, I am back again with the new presentation. This is our lecture number 14 for class 5. Subject is English literature. This is chapter 3, The Will of the Merchant, and I am Vartika. And the reference book for this chapter is Together with Essence. So let's start. This is our summary lecture. Okay, so the summary of the lecture, the summary of the story is, let's start. Once there lived a merchant in Egypt. Merchant means व्यापारी. एक बार इजिप्ट में एक व्यापारी रहता था. The merchant was wealthy. He had only one son whom he loved dearly. The merchant was wealthy. Merchant बहुत ही रिच था और उसका एक ही बेटा था जिसको वो बहुत ही प्यार करता था. The son was bright young man who loved to read books and learn new things. The son, वो लड़का बहुत ही bright young man था and he loved to read books and learn new things. At the age of 20, he was sent to Greece to study. The son, at the age of 20, he was sent to Greece to study. The son, the child, was sent to Greece to study when he was 20. While he was away, the merchant fell ill. The merchant did not want to disturb his son in his studies. When the child was away, the merchant was not well. The merchant did not want to disturb. अपने बेटे को वो डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहता था. He knew that his end is near and was worried about his property. The merchant knew that his end is near, कि उसका अंत नजदीक है. And he was worried about his wealth. वो अपनी धन दौलत को लेकर के बहुत ही चिंतित था. There was no one in the house except the servant. नौकर को छोड़कर घर में और कोई भी नहीं था. The merchant was in dilemma whether his servant would honestly look after the property for his son or not. Now the merchant was confused. Dilemma means confused. That whether his servant, कि उसका servant नौकर प्रॉपर्टी की केयर करेगा या नहीं. But there was no other way. He thought for a while, then decided to make his will. But उसके पास और कोई रास्ता नहीं था. Now look, he is writing the will and no one is there except the servant. नौकर के अलावा उसके पास कोई नहीं है. In his will he gave all his property to his servant. और उसने अपनी वसीयत में सारी प्रॉपर्टी अपने सर्वेंट को दे दी, नौकर को दे दी. But he added a clause at the bottom of the will. लेकिन उसने वसीयत के अंत में एक क्लोज ऐड किया. Whoever heard about the will was amazed. Amazed means surprised, हैरान. जिसने भी उस वसीयत के बारे में सुना वो बिल्कुल हैरान था. After a few days, Abdul is the name of merchant's son. कुछ दिनों बाद अब्दुल वापस आया. The merchant's son came back. Okay, Abdul the merchant's son, he came back. He was shocked and sad to know about his father's death. Abdul was shocked and sad. It's obvious na, if somebody will come to know about his or her father's death, the person will be shocked. So Abdul was also shocked. And he was further shocked to see his father's will. और वो उससे भी ज्यादा हैरान हुआ अपने पिता की वसीयत जानकर, देखकर. Abdul knew that his father loved him dearly and was puzzled at his decision. अब्दुल को पता था कि उसके पिता उसे बहुत प्यार करते थे और वो अपने पिता के डिसीजन पे बहुत ही ज्यादा कंफ्यूज्ड था. He was sure that there must be some reason behind this strange decision. और अब्दुल को यकीन था कि इस अजीब से डिसीजन के फैसले के पीछे जरूर कोई कारण है. Abdul went to Bashir, a wise old man and his father's best friend. Look, Abdul has come to Bashir with the copy of a will. He went to Bashir, वो बशीर के पास गया, उसके पिता के बेस्ट फ्रेंड थे वो, and showed him the will and said that now I would have to work for my father's servant. अब मुझे मेरे पिता के नौकर के लिए काम करना पड़ेगा. बशीर read the will carefully and said, बशीर ने वसीयत को सावधानी से पढ़ा and said और कहा, your father loved you dearly. तुम्हारे पिता तुम्हें बहुत ही प्यार करते थे. He had thought wisely before making the will. उन्होंने वसीयत लिखने से पहले बहुत ही समझदारी से सोचा. Read the last line of the will and you will come to know that your father wanted you to become his heir. वसीयत की आखिरी लाइन पढ़ो और तुम जानोगे कि तुम्हारे पिता चाहते थे कि तुम ही उसके उत्तराधिकारी बनो. Abdul said that I have read the will. The last line says that I can take one thing from my father's will. मैंने वसीयत पूरी पढ़ ली है और आखिरी लाइन कहती है कि मैं अपने पिता की वसीयत में से कोई भी एक चीज ले सकता हूँ. बशीर said, as per law of the land, a master has full right over his servant's property. जैसा कि लॉ ऑफ लैंड होता है, उसके हिसाब से जो मास्टर है, मालिक है, उसका अपने सर्वेंट की, नौकर की प्रॉपर्टी पर पूरा अधिकार होता है. As you share, you can take your father's servant and then you will become owner of the property. अपने शेयर के तौर पर, हिस्से के तौर पर तुम अपने पिता के सर्वेंट को, नौकर को मांग लो. And then you will become owner of the property. और फिर तुम क्या बन जाओगे? प्रॉपर्टी के ओनर, मालिक. Abdul was overwhelmed at his father's wisdom and heaved a sigh of relief. अब्दुल अपने पिता के ये डिसीजन को जानकर, समझदारी को जानकर बहुत ही खुश था और उसने चैन की सांस ली. सो all's well that ends well. Okay, now let's see. In our next slide we have word meanings. Children, as you all know, we do word meanings in Hindi always in our class. So I have written Hindi meanings for the words, for the difficult words in the chapter. Okay, now let's read and learn. Wealthy, Amir. Dilemma, Chinta. Will, वसीयत. Amazed, हैरान. Puzzled, उलझा हुआ. Let's revise. Wealthy, अमीर. Dilemma, चिंता. Will, वसीयत. Amazed, हैरान. Puzzled, उलझा हुआ. 6th, heir. वारिस और वी कैन से उत्तराधिकारी. वारिस या उत्तराधिकारी. Inherit, विरासत में पाना या पाना. Overwhelmed, बहुत खुश. Overwhelmed, बहुत खुश. Heaved a sigh of relief, राहत की सांस या चैन की सांस. Merchant, व्यापारी. Okay, let's revise the word meanings again. Heir, वारिस या उत्तराधिकारी. Inherit, विरासत में पाना या पाना. Overwhelmed, बहुत खुश. Heaved a sigh of relief, राहत की सांस या चैन की सांस. Merchant, व्यापारी. All of you can write these meanings, these word meanings in your rough notebook and learn this for test. Okay. So children, as you know, after end of every chapter, I give you some homework. So in this chapter also, I am going to give you homework. So let's see. This is your exercise A. of literature book of this chapter, and this exercise is show what you know. After reading the chapter, it is your assessment that what you have learnt in the chapter, you have to show here what you have learnt. Okay, so let's see. Show what you know. A. Read the questions and choose the best option to answer. Now you have to read the given questions and you have to choose the best answer. Options are given. You have to select one answer. Where did the merchant live? Merchant कहाँ रहता था? Greece, Egypt or Italy? Question 2. After the merchant's death, who received all his property? मर्चेंट की, व्यापारी की डेथ के बाद सारी प्रॉपर्टी किसको मिली? बशीर, मर्चेंट्स सन और सर्वेंट. हाउ डिड अब्दुल फील ऑन सीइंग हिज फादर्स विल? अब्दुल को अपने पिता की वसीयत जानकर या देखकर कैसा लगा? ही वॉज अमेज्ड, ही वॉज शॉक्ड और ही वॉज सैड. Now you have to choose the best suitable answer. Okay, and answers for this you will get in your next lecture. Okay children, as you all know, after ending every lecture I give you homework solution of previous lecture. Now this is your homework solution of lecture number 13, chapter number 2, Go Green, Go Smart. In this lecture I told you about some green phrases. Okay, now I will give you solution of your homework. Okay, we read few phrases which were green phrases and I told you the meanings also of the phrases. There were 6 phrases. Now there are 6 fill-ups and we have used those phrases in these fill-ups. Now let's see the answers. Okay. At the job fair held in Pragati Maidan, most of the candidates looked like green person. Green person means a fresher, a person who does not have experience. Means प्रगति मैदान में जो जॉब फेयर लगा उसमें अधिकतर कैंडिडेट्स जो थे वो कैसे लगे? ग्रीन पर्सन, यानी कि वो फ्रेश लगे. ओके, मीन्स दे वर नॉट हैविंग एक्सपीरियंस. My mother has maintained a very beautiful kitchen garden. People say that she has green fingers. Okay, means a person who is expert in growing plants. There was an hour for the show to begin. There was an hour to begin for the show to begin. So the cast stayed in the green room. Green room, I told you, it is a room where the casting for any serial, movie or any role play stays when they are not performing on the stage. जब कोई एक्टर या एक्ट्रेसेस किसी भी ड्रामा में, मूवी में जब स्टेज पर परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहे होते तो वो एक रूम में ठहरते हैं जिस रूम को बोला जाता है ग्रीन रूम. ओके, फोर्थ, माई ब्रदर इज ग्रीन कार्ड होल्डर एंड ट्रेवल्स ट्वाइस अ ईयर टू इंडिया. मेरा ब्रदर, मेरा भाई एक ग्रीन कार्ड होल्डर है और इंडिया साल में 2 बार आता है. द गवर्नमेंट इज ट्राइंग हार्ड टू प्रमोट ग्रीन पॉलिटिक्स. ओके, ग्रीन पॉलिटिक्स, I told you it is a politics in which policies are made to save our environment. Though Shimona has all the luxuries of life, she goes green with envy every time she sees her friend contented with what she has. Okay, जबकि शिमोना के पास सारी लग्जरीज हैं बट फिर भी she goes green with envy means she feels with jealousy. Okay, किसी से jealous feel करना. Every time, हर समय वो jealous हो जाती है when she sees her friend contented with what she has. Okay, so that's all with today's lecture, children. Now all of you have to do the homework. You can take help of your parents or elder ones from your home. Now bye for today. Take care all of you. Goodbye.